10 websites that you can start making money right away this year in 2023. I've done all the research for you, so you could just sit back, take notes, listen to this on your way to work as I give you all 10 websites where you can start making money online right now. The first website I want to talk about where you can make money online is called Trimata.com. On Trimata.com, it allows you to get paid to test different websites and apps done by recent developers trying to test out their products, making sure the usability is fine-tuned to allow just the common person to use their website or app. All you have to do is use the website like you would do any other website. You don't have to use it a certain way. Just really be raw and real with your review, whether you like the product or you don't like the product, so you can voice all of that on the app on this website, Trimata.com. Now, the way you would use Trimata is that they would give you a website and you would actually have to record yourself while you use the website or the app. And so while you're recording, you actually voice your opinion while you're using the website. So you're just typing things on a specific website they sent you, and along the way you can say, oh, I kind of don't like that. Oh, it was very difficult to find this one part of the website, or I don't like the interface of this app. It's super hard to look at. I don't like the color theme of this app or this website. And so along the way, while you're using their website or the app, they want to get that raw first interaction reaction in order to take notes and improve on their website or app. Now, there's no limit about how many tests you can get. It's just about how many tests essentially they send you in order for you to be a reviewer. And of course, you have to fill out your information, making sure they find the right demographic in order to test out their product or design, and you get paid every single week through PayPal. The next website I want to talk about is acx.com. On acx.com, you can apply to be a narrator for a particular book, journal that someone writes, and they can hire you in order for you to voice out their book, and so they can have an audio version of their written down book. And the way this works is that, number one, you upload your profile, you voice some samples of your voice in different iterations, whether you have a cool Southern style voice or you have a California style voice, or maybe you can actually do international voiceovers. Maybe you can, if you're in the US and you're born in the US, you can sound like an Australian really well. Well, you can put that as a sample on your profile. Now, the way you get paid, you can either get paid by per finished product, or you could get 50% of the royalties of that audiobook, or you could do a little bit of both. And you can actually look for opportunities on this website. So if someone has a book out, they usually will leave out different snippets of the book that you can interview for or apply for, and you can send them your recording of that sample snippet. And if they like your voice, then they'll hire you and you're off to the races to start making money narrating different books. Now on ACX, once you have 25 audiobooks, it doesn't matter the size. It could be an audiobook with maybe 50 pages to some with over 1,000 pages. But once you have 25 audiobooks, you could apply to go to the big daddy of websites, audible.com, and you could be one of their professional narrators for the tons of books that they have on that website. Now, the next website I want to talk about is called Freecast.com. On Freecast.com, you can earn monies in multiple ways. You can take surveys, but one of the main things that most people earn money is by playing games, especially games on apps. And Freecast.com on Trustpilot has one of the highest rated website that you can have for these money-making websites. And so it's pretty trusted that a lot of people use this website to earn a little bit of extra income. So if you go on their website, you go to earn and you look at the different offers that they have, and they have the different apps or games that you can try. And they actually have the amount that you can make per website or per app if you want to play this particular game, or if they find you a good fit based off of your profile in order for you all to be a good match, and they pay you for that. The next website I want to talk about that you can make money online is Longreads.com. Now on Longreads.com, you have to be a writer. You have to either enjoy it or just like doing it to make money. And they start paying people $5 $500 for personal essays or for longer form essays between 2,000 words and over 6,000 words. Right now on the website, they're only taking in nonfiction essays. It can either be a personal story, some sort of report, or something with a lot of resources or sources that you could put in the writing. Now, this website does receive a lot of essays on a daily basis, and so you just really have to stand out and just repeat the process and keep on sending them in essays. They actually have examples of essays that they like, and you can write something similar. And sometimes the topic that you're writing, they may not be interested in today, but later down this year or next year, when something happens in the news and now your story becomes relevant, maybe they'll consider it then. So you have to keep on sending them in your essays, and you can start making as much as $500 per essay, and they go even higher based off of the amount of words. If you have a lot of research in your essay and things of that nature, you could get paid over $2,000 per essay for writing on this website. Now, before we go on, please be sure to subscribe to this channel as I talk about different ways that you can make money online and about the economy as a whole. Now, the next website that I want to talk about that you can make money online is Flippa.com. On Flippa.com, you can buy and sell domains. Domains is essentially the website name, the website URL. So you're not actually buying the website. So to say, well, yes, you are buying like the URL, but yes, you can buy and sell websites, but usually if you buy and sell websites, they have revenue already going, or they have content that they're updating on a day-by-day basis. But usually when you buy domains, there's usually no type of content, and it's just the name essentially that you're buying. Now, GoDaddy reports that the most expensive domain ever sold was cars.com, sold at around $872 million. And so this is definitely a big industry. And the thing is, you may not sell domains that much, but maybe you buy a website or a domain at $10 and you're able to sell it for $100 a few months later or a few weeks later. Or you buy one for $5,000 and you're able to sell it for $10,000. Or you use $500 and you just buy 50 different websites, or you buy 10 different websites. Maybe 7 out of the 10 are not able to sell, but the 3 that you are able to sell, it's able to pay off your investments and you get some profit. And so yes, buying and selling domains does take a skill, because you have to know, okay, what's kind of trending? What's a website that a lot of companies may gravitate to? Does this name sound normal? Is it too abnormal? And so you have to do research. You have to talk to other experts in the field to make sure they know, or just inquire, okay, how do I pick a good domain? Or even give them examples like, I'm thinking about this URL. What do you think? So there are online communities that you can find in order to better learn this practice and this skill to buy and flip domains. The next website that you can make money online is called GoTranscript.com. On GoTranscript.com, you get to transcript different audio files into written form. And so you can either do that, or they have also translation services that you could be part of. And so looking on the website, you can earn up to 60 cents per audio or video minute, and the average earnings is around $150 per month. And you can earn as much as $1,215 per month using this website. So if you're skilled in this area, GoTranscript.com is a great resource that you can consider. The next website is Listverse.com. On Listverse.com, you can get paid $100 just to write list sort of articles, like the list topic type of articles, like the 10 best animals for pets, or the 5 most interesting things in this particular movie, or the best songs to listen to in your car when you're driving to California. And so they have different lists for different categories and niches, and you could be part of that. So it's very similar to the other website that I was talking about writing essays, but you get to write more of a short form article in writing list. And so usually you have an intro, and then you have each list and a little bit of a summary after each list. And they pay you $100 per article if it is accepted with them. Now, the next website is called Chopkit.com. And on Chopkit.com, you get paid for just buying stuff, just buying groceries like you do, or buying different clothing items and going to retail stores, recording your payment, recording the barcode, or scanning the receipt. And they actually give you money in the form of gift cards for maybe Amazon, maybe Walmart, maybe Target, and you get paid just to do your regular activities of shopping. And so they have a lot of popular gift cards, and of course they have, for example, PayPal gift card that you can essentially just use it as regular money. Now, the next website is one that you probably heard about. It's Google Opinion Rewards. And on Google Opinion Rewards, it's essentially an app that follows you wherever you go, and they send you surveys about the places you go. And so you can either have that location on in order to receive more surveys so you can get more points, or you can have it off and they can still randomly send you surveys that you can give your input and can get points later. But if you have your location services on, usually you receive more surveys and more opportunities to earn more money. And so the way it works, let's say you're going to a new city, and for example, Milwaukee, and you're visiting this new restaurant and you're in line because you've seen the different reviews and it's very popular, and so there's a long line. Maybe Google will hit you up during that time because they know you're at this spot outside waiting in line, and they want to ask about the overall experience. Let us know about the food. Let us know about the wait time, the wait experience, and you give your survey and they give you points for that. Another thing that Google Opinion Rewards do is that they may send you a video recommendation, right? And they ask you, did you enjoy this video? Was this video too harsh, or was it funny? Was it sad? How did you feel about this YouTube video? And so what that does for Google, it gives them more input on whether they should push this video out on YouTube. So hopefully they'll send someone this video and that could be pushed and people will like this video and I could get more views in that type of way. So yeah, Google Rewards, they do things like that in order for you to get points. And with those points, you can either use them on Google services or you can redeem them through PayPal, so you can have more of a cash type of reward with it. All right, the final website I want to talk about is called Fluid Truck. On Fluid Truck, you can rent out your truck as long as it's about less than 15 or even less than like 20 years, right? They're pretty lenient about the age of the car, but of course they have to make sure the engine and the vehicle is running properly and that it can actually be used by other people. And so essentially you rent out your truck or your cargo van to other people, and you can earn anywhere from $5,000 to $25,000 per year if you have one of these vehicles. So you could probably find a pickup truck for less than $10,000, and I estimate that you can make up to $10,000 just renting out a truck. So whether you have a spare truck or a spare cargo van, or you want to go out and actually make this a business, you can do that way also. All right, you all, I hope you all enjoyed this video on how to make money online through these 10 different websites. Let me know down below which 10 websites or which of these 10 websites you're going to use. All right, thank you.